Welcome to this tutorial on managing your EveryDollar emergency fund. An emergency fund is a crucial component of personal finance that helps you navigate unexpected expenses and financial setbacks. EveryDollar is a budgeting tool that allows you to track your income and expenses and set aside funds for emergencies. To manage your EveryDollar emergency fund, start by determining how much you need to save. A general rule of thumb is to have 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses set aside in an easily accessible savings account. Consider your income, expenses, and debt obligations when calculating this amount. Next, set up a separate fund within your EveryDollar account specifically for emergencies. This will help you keep your emergency savings separate from your everyday spending money. You can do this by creating a new fund and assigning a specific amount to it each month. Now, let's talk about how to prioritize your emergency fund. When allocating your income, make sure to prioritize essential expenses such as rent, utilities, and groceries. After covering these expenses, allocate a portion of your income towards your emergency fund. You can set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your emergency fund to make saving easier and less prone to being neglected. It's also important to review and adjust your emergency fund regularly. As your income and expenses change, you may need to adjust the amount you're saving each month. Additionally, if you need to use your emergency fund, be sure to replenish it as soon as possible to maintain your financial safety net. Best practices for managing your EveryDollar emergency fund include avoiding the temptation to use your emergency fund for non-essential expenses, keeping your emergency fund in a liquid savings account, and considering other sources of funding, such as a side hustle or selling items you no longer need, to supplement your emergency savings. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively manage your EveryDollar emergency fund and ensure that you're prepared for any financial unexpectedness that comes your way. Remember to stay consistent, disciplined, and patient, and you'll be on your way to building a robust emergency fund that will provide you with peace of mind and financial security.